Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to additional settings, and then swipe down again, and somewhere at the bottom, there we go, you have backup and reset. So if you want to reset your device and you also want to retain the data that is on here, you might want to back it up beforehand. Though if I'm correct, this would be a backup down to the OnePlus servers and not like a Google backup. I could be wrong, I have never utilized this one, so I don't know. You can go through it and see it. I'm not even going to be backing up my device, but obviously if it's doing it to OnePlus and you're backing up your device because you got a new one and that said new device isn't OnePlus, you might want to back it up manually by just copying the data to your computer instead of using the automatic one that you can do right here. Now, anyway, with that being said, assuming you've already created a backup of your phone or you just don't want to, you can select Reset Phone and then erase all data. And once you press on that once more, it will begin factory resetting your device. Now, in between these two confirmations, I believe there is a need for you to verify your screen lock if you have one set on your phone. I did not, so it automatically progressed further. But like I said, if you have one, you might need to verify it to actually to begin the reset. Once you begin the reset, the device will go through a fully automatic factory reset, which takes about 1 to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.